I'm going to show you how to sort Airbnb by price in just a few steps. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget you can subscribe and like it for more. So this process works for the phone application or the website version as well. So it's the same process. All you need to do is search for the trip you want. In my case, I'm looking for homes in Thailand. And once you are here, you can go to the filters, and right here you will see this option to select a price range. So this is not exactly sorting by price, but it's the most similar feature that Airbnb has. So for example, if you want to search for the lowest price, you can put a price range like this, and you will see there are 800 places with this price range, and then you can click and you will see the cheapest homes or the cheapest Airbnbs, but you can't sort it by pricing. Okay, you can also see the map right here to see the lowest pricings, and you can do the same thing with any price range you want. So if you want the most expensive ones, you can do this. That's the only way you can filter by pricing on Airbnb. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.